Okay, we're doing another red flag that looks like a green flag when you're first dating. And I had two different clients with it was the same issue, which is when someone seems very low maintenance. And it seems like a green flag, like, wow, they're so low maintenance, they're so easygoing, nothing seems to bother them. This is often a red flag, and I want to give you very specifics. I wrote them down so I could be very specific with things that were said, that my clients said, that the person said to them. So one of the things that got said, and I wrote it down, so excuse me while I look, I don't want to be a burden. So this is a man I work with, and he went on a date with this woman. They were on like their third or fourth date, and she said something like, "Well, I hate being a burden to people." You know, she was saying how she doesn't ask for help when there's certain things going on, and he was like, "Oh, you know, it's really nice. Like she really gets it. Like not getting into people's face." And I said, to me, that's an example of someone who doesn't know how to be emotionally reciprocal, right? Like that's the whole point in a relationship. Like if you're in all your relationships, and she's talking about her parents, she was talking about work, she was talking about other things, so she's like this in all of her relationships, that she doesn't want to be a burden. And this is also speaking of low self-esteem. It's again speaking to probably someone who will give but will never receive, so then ends up being resentful and angry about it. So I said that's actually a red flag. I don't like people that say things like, I don't want to be a burden. And for the record, I've said things like that. And then this same person said to him at a different time, she said, well, I don't really get upset about things, right? I don't really get upset about things. And again, he thought that was great. And I said, that is someone who doesn't know how to process, doesn't know how to like, she doesn't process things, she bypasses things. That's what we all get upset about things. What are you talking about? I'm pretty easygoing myself. I've had a lot of therapy. I'm pretty self-regulated. I still get upset. I mean, it's normal, it's natural, it's okay. We're supposed to get upset about things. It's just how upset we get, right? And how much that might like ruin our day or take over. So, I said to him, this is kind of a red flag and it's looking like a green flag. Now, my other client, she said, the man she was dating said something like, and I wrote it down, oh yeah, I'm not into labels. Let's see where things go, right? And again, she saw this as a green flag because she said he was very interested. He was right there, but and they've been dating a couple months, and she was sort of like, "Where are we?" And he said that, and I said he wants access without responsibility. That's what he's saying. I don't want a label, and I'm not saying you have to say, "Oh, we're gonna get married," or you're my love of my life, but to be able to say like, yeah, you're someone I'm really interested in. I'm not dating other people. You could use the word boyfriend, girlfriend, I don't really care. But she was trying to get more information about where he was. And he's doing this whole, let's just see where things go. It's going so well. Let's check it out. And again, it's a few months in. So, again, not first or second date. The other thing was that, and I wrote it down again. Sorry, I'm looking. Oh, you don't have to worry about me. He said that quite a few times to her. And she again saw this as such a good thing. Like something would come up and he's like, oh, you don't have to worry about me, I got it, or you don't have to worry about me. And I said to her, to me, again, that's a little bit of a red flag. I know it seems nice, it seems like they're so easygoing, but the translation to me is I'm emotionally self-contained. I'm not good at letting people in. I'm not going to give much. And sure enough, when I asked more questions, that's what she said. He wasn't really giving a lot of information all the time. He was very self-contained and keeping his emotions to himself. So anyway, these are a bunch of things. When someone seems too low maintenance, I need you to take a look and think about, is this too much, too low maintenance? Because it really means that they're distant, they're probably avoidantly attached, and they're probably not going to give me much either. So make sure you're paying attention.